Number 1. A poem that has no rhythm or rhyme. Narrative poem, free verse poem, alliteration, repetition. Number 2. Repeating of something that has already been said or written. Narrative poem, free verse poem, alliteration, repetition. Words together, words close together in a sentence that start with the same sound. Narrative poem, free verse poem, alliteration, repetition. A type of poem that tells a story and can be about anything. Narrative poem, free verse poem, alliteration, repetition. A line in a poem that is arranged in a row. Stanza, line, rhyme, rhythm. When a word has the same ending sound as another. Stanza, line, rhyme, rhythm. A group of 2 or more lines in a poem. Stanza, line, rhyme, rhythm. The beat or flow of the poem. Stanza, line, rhyme, rhythm. Sally sells seashells by the seashore is an example of repetition, alliteration, line, narrative poem. The poem has 5 blank in it. Flower. One flower sitting all alone, wondering what it should do. Sitting there lonely, lonely and all, sitting there playing alone. Stanza, lines, alliteration, repetition.